So in an ideal world, what will happen is that I'll have a meeting. My AI note taker will then transcribe the meeting, take all of the notes. That will then automatically import into my Obsidian knowledge base. So this knowledge base here, and it will create a meeting note with exactly what happened in that meeting. Right, and here's how I've done it. So the first thing I have is I have a tool called Granola, right? And Granola is the AI note-taking app. There is a price if you want access to the MCP. It's $14 per month, but it's very worth it. Next thing what you want to do is you want to actually then load it up, and it synchronizes to your calendar. And then when you actually join a meeting, what you notice is that when you join the meeting, actually there's something that pops up which says, would you like to take notes in Granola? So this is popped up on my other screen, but you can see here, now it's actually recording the meeting in the background. And I haven't had to tell anybody actually in the meeting that I'm recording. And if you look at, if I click this plus, you can see actually that it's transcribing everything that I'm saying, but then also everything that other people within the meeting are going to be saying as well. And then after the meeting finishes, you can see I stop it. And then this is actually going to automatically stop usually, or if it doesn't, I can just click stop here. And you see this is now generating all of the notes. So this is done. So then the next step is you want to import this into your Obsidian second brain. Now, of course, you could do this the manual way by just selecting, copy pasting everything and putting this within a note, or you can ask Claude or Codex to do it. And that's how I've set it up. So the first things first is actually to set up the connection to the MCP. Now, I've not done this on this computer yet in this vault. So let's do this now. So to do this, I'm first going to open up Codex. So I go into Codex here, and then I'm going to say, help me set up a connection to the Granola MCP following this URL here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in the link to the Granola MCP. So let me just give it to this. And generally speaking, when you want to connect to MCPs, you can just ask Codex or you can ask Claude to connect it for you. Right, so this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to log in with my Granola account, which is my email, allow access, authentication completed. So then after any meetings like the one I just had with Dell Computers, I can simply say, ingest the meeting note from today's meeting with Dell Computers using the Granola connection that we have. It's noticed that there's only one person in the meeting. It was me, obviously. Next, it creates the meeting record, and you can see here it is. Here's the meeting note. So it has the attendees, Jonathan, notes. So any future meetings that you have, you just have to make sure that you load Granola, that it's recorded the meeting, and then after the meeting you say, ingest the meeting record using the Granola connection. That simple.